Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence and Queen reacts to Corey and Carmen getting a divorce. Oh my goodness. Did y'all hear about this? What happened? Let's get into it.
Look, so you get on your phone for then?
Because I'm trying to see.
I'll be looking crazy on your live.
No, what the hell be wrong? Why my buttons don't work? Pause.
Babe, what is pause about that?
Like someone.
What's pause about what?
First of all, I love the fact that they're reacting to a video. Because we always watching them and reacting to them. So now Clare and brought Queen in and they reacting to a video together. Sadly, it's about Corey and Carmen. So that's sad. But, you know, I don't know. I mean, I like way back for my petty fans like MH, you know, you probably saw us do some of their videos before. I mean, I'm not into the recent stuff what happened. But I did see like way back then, maybe a year or two ago, it was some little cracks. But you know, everybody's relationship got issues. So I'm praying for both of them that they are okay. And instead it happened. But I'm gonna see what they gotta say.
My buttons don't work.
Like someone pushing your buttons is crazy.
Babe, that is not pause.
Someone pushing my buttons is crazy.
Babe, that's not pause. It's nothing.
It is crazy.
It's not pause though.
At least we got Queen and Clare. That's why I love them. They still together. They make such a good couple. It's like, you know, they're besties and like they finish each other's sentences and they already know what to expect. And they have such a good working relationship, you know, with each other, professionally and with the kids and romantically and all that stuff. So I'm really grateful for Clare and Queen at a time like this.
New York,
No,
everything is paused.
no mom should get their buttons pushed. Nobody.
Babe, somebody has pushed your buttons before.
Nah, my buttons. Yo.
I gotta agree with Queen. You like me, Clare. Our buttons get pushed. It's over. We can't keep our cool for long.
No. I don't get my buttons pushed.
Yes, you do get your buttons pushed.
No, I don't. Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
So what the fuck you get on your phone for then?
Because I'm trying to see what's going on.
So when nothing going on your phone, oh, your hoes texting, oh my bad, I forgot. I forgot your hoes be texting you.
We can't even just talk.
Why not? Because when I used to be sloppy, you used to take advantage of me.
I took advantage of you.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
You really want to say I took advantage of you?
Yes, and I just said it, and I will say it again. You made me insecure. You made me toxic. You made me crazy. You made me do all these other just because of the person you couldn't be. Who I am because of you at the end of the day. Speak on that.
See, you didn't mean that.
It does mean something because I know I messed up. But you can just hold that against me. All the times you done cheated and did multiple shit.
So you.
What did I do?
When you cheated.
Nah, this is edited dumb.
Shoot, I'm coughing. Claire, that was a lot for like, what was that, 2 seconds? That was overload. I'm like, wait. Yeah, they edited the heck out of that.
Though. This just happened right here. On Shade Routines. Someone said this is scripted.
You know what though? I don't know. I'm about to call because I thought he was supposed to be here before me, but
everything is already public, so it's kind of like, why not make a bag off of it, right?
Capitalize off it.
Hello, where you at?
Yeah, I'm with Queen. I think that's it. But why did you give that child such a high chair? You know that girl ain't tall. I couldn't even get in that chair. That was tall. She had to climb up and slide in. I'm sorry, I'm being petty. But I really think y'all should have gave her a smaller table, though, because that's going to be uncomfortable. All right.
Where you at?
I'm coming.
Okay, like you were supposed to be here.
Okay, traffic bad.
All right, come on. That's what I'm talking about. Like, he was supposed to be here and he's not here. Like, he wants somebody to chase him down, not chase him down no more.
Not late to the face off.
I'm with you, Claire. Not late to the face off. Not 2 hours late. I mean, what, are they in LA or something? You got 2-hour traffic and stuff. I mean, New York or something? Like, where they at? I forgot. I thought they was in Atlanta. Is that right? I don't know. Y'all let me know.
Home to the weigh-in.
Doug talking about you?
Huh?
What's that?
get him coming out of his car. What kind of car is that, by the way? Y'all let me know, Petty Fam.
Nah, not the slow one.
Okay, Queen, he mad dramatic with that. You had to wait till you get your slime and green car, get it all washed and stuff.
Slow motion ball.
You said Dub talking about you. Dub is on stream right now.
Somebody in chat said that car ugly. It is kind of ugly. I can't tell what it is. I know it's supposed to be something special, but I don't know. That green got me. I can't even tell what kind of car that is.
Nah, the slow walk is crazy. Is Dub on stream right now?
Here.
Tell Dub I said what's good, Mo. He talking about me like he's trying to cut ass.
Why you got attitude?
Why are you so late?
Somebody said, what in the Mona Scott is this? I'm going to start reading the chat. I'm sorry.
I told you I was in traffic. So
Okay, but you know we were supposed to be here a certain time, though.
Traffic do be bad,
I
though.
can't help because traffic packed.
But you knew what time you're supposed to be here, so you should have left the house a long time ago.
Okay, all right. I understand. So,
Yeah, I bet you do. You always understand. Don't seem like it.
so what we gonna do?
What you gonna do? What you gonna say?
I mean, I'm not.
Something pulled up with the laptop.
So why you here then?
To do
They
this.
still got
To do
matching
what?
cases,
You just
though.
ain't nothing to do this.
So that's
No,
no.
what I'm saying is you understand, like, how what you want to do, what you want to tell the people, how you want.
What you want to tell them?
I'd rather let you speak. You boss.
Nah, you the boss. You the one. You the one want to do this and do that. Come on, be honest and tell them.
No.
I had to.
Well, what you expect me to say? We over with? Oh, it's over
I'm
with?
not gonna tell you what to say. You tell them what you want to say.
I feel like we should just build them together. Ain't no need to be disturbing. You know what I'm saying? We need to move on.
Said they
You
need
know what I
sometimes.
mean? Like, they don't need to bump heads or we got kids.
I'm not bumping heads with you.
But you act disturbing, though.
I'm not disturbed just because I don't want to talk to you.
Stubborn.
I'm trying
You
to
gotta
tell the support.
I'm not stopping you from talking.
But why you won't talk?
I'm talking behind you.
Not because you the one who have a lot to say. You know what I'm saying? You the
Nah,
one.
we already
I say what I
started
have
this.
to
We
say
gonna
to
watch
you. I
AMP
speak on
next.
my time now when you want me to talk.
All right. Okay, I'll tell you what.
Come on, because you know you always got somewhere to be now.
So we're gonna move on, and what is what do you want, like how you wanna move forward, co-parenting and everything? Because I'm not gonna be going back and forth with you.
Everything about to take
Who's
off.
going back and forth? That's not a problem. So why are you bringing that up?
Why?
That's not even the issue. You shouldn't be asking me.
Okay,
Like
so
the kids don't have nothing to
get
do
to
with
the issue
nothing.
then.
You get to the issue. We can sit here all day and do this all day for real.
Why you got so much time on your hand?
I don't. But I'm not going to be the one to say it. Come on. You know what you want to say.
All right, so we gonna go ahead and just separate. It ain't. It's just.
We made the decision already at the end of the day. So it's like, what we going to tell them? So it's like, you're not talking to me right now anyway.
But you better not talk to you.
We just talking to them, letting them know what we're going to do.
You
So they
making
didn't
it
plan
so
this. There's no way they
Huh.
scripted this.
Because it's like we just need to go ahead and get to the point and just let the
Basically, they
people know what it
telling
is
everybody
and
they
how we gonna move
Talk.
forward.
I'm not stopping you from talking, Corey.
But I'm saying though, like, why you want to just let me lead the way? You obviously gotta let your
You
side.
the one who always got, you the one always who want to talk.
You need to let your side be known.
And I will.
So talk. So all right. So we moving on, of course, right?
Libra.
We're breaking up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why are we breaking up?
Yeah. Tell me why. Matter of fact, you tell me why we really breaking up.
Well, to be honest with you, I feel like just respect matters is up to you. We can move on. We can move on, and you know what I'm saying. We don't have to explain that part.
He want her to go first. And she want him to go first.
I'm really to just really walk out. Because first of all, you wasted my time. Because you were supposed to be here a long time ago.
All right. Look, Carmen. We'll kind of do this a little bit better. Okay? I respect you.
You don't have to talk to me out professional. Like, talk to me how you normally talk to me when the camera's off.
What are you?
Exactly what I said.
It's growth.
Oh, now it's growth. Over 2 hours, now you want to call it growth. You had a lot of growth 2 hours, didn't you?
I mean, I don't got time to go back down the same road.
Oh, now you don't have time. It's so funny how you always pick everything that's beneficial for you.
See, bro, I ain't finna do shit. Like, you just be saying stuff out the wall. Like, what they got to do with anything?
It got everything to do with it. The reason why we
This
here
shit
now.
look like this about to be a part 2 or something.
All right, we separating. What we doing?
Well, look, I'm gonna continue to, you know what I'm saying, go with my lifestyle. Obviously, be there for my kids. And whatever you do.
I don't care what you do with your lifestyle, what you do as a Corey, as whoever. I don't even really care what you even do after we separate.
So what we talking about then? So what we talking about then? I mean, I guess it's about time for me to leave there, huh?
No, you say you want to, we the right way.
Just got it, about to leave.
But you being disturbing.
I'm being disturbing. You want me to just say, oh, you tell your story. I'm not telling my story unless I want to. We're telling them what we're doing.
Okay, well, I don't got to tell my story. We moving on.
I didn't ask for your story. I just asked what we were doing.
Moving on, we're going to move forward.
All right, so what we do? We're getting break up or we're getting divorced?
And shit, you just serve me the papers, and I guess we'll do it.
Why I gotta serve you the papers?
I mean, I'm gonna just let that be.
So is he gonna get a laugh again and say, "Oh yeah, she the one who sent me the divorce papers"?
I ain't got. I'm not on that.
You know you're good at letting everybody know what Carmen do, but you're not gonna say what Corey do.
If anything come out to where I had to defend myself, I'm gonna let it be.
How you defending yourself by putting somebody else down?
I'm not. How am I
putting
you down?
Because you never really tell the truth.
I don't tell the truth.
You like to play the victim. You play the victim too much. You make it seem like somebody's just the problem. For where? I'm not together. We're not together. What I need to wear a ring for?
I'm just saying.
Nigga said, where your ring at?
Where your ring at?
So I was, because I
where your ring
at?
I kind
of feel you.
Where your ring at?
My ring in my car.
Oh, your car. You walked in here with
left
no
it
ring.
in the car.
But you worry about me not having a ring.
Because, I mean, I'm just trying. You just showed me, like, look, it's a divorce.
That's what we came here for, right? To make a decision that we're gonna just be done and let everybody know what we're doing. So moving forward, what you doing, what I do, don't have nothing to do with
you wasn't gonna wear your ring, so I left it in the car.
Not at all.
So what are we doing? You didn't come here to kiss my ass, did you? Did you?
Now, why is she talking like that?
No, because I'm saying you being childish right now. We trying to, what we gonna do? How we gonna do this? You want to just end it like this, or you want to be cordial and actually?
No, we're gonna be cordial. Like right now, I just not feeling you. I don't feel like talking to you. I don't feel even like looking at you. So like we cool. Like after this, like we back cool. Like you gonna see the kids? See the kids?
No, we ain't gotta be cool.
I know we ain't gotta be cool, but I'm telling you, like we can go that road. But I can be bitter if you want me to be bitter.
No, because you're doing that right now.
How? How am I doing it? I'm giving you the floor to talk.
You haven't talked to the supporters yet.
I said I would talk when I want to talk.
So when would that be?
On my time, not your time. So this time it was their time for us to let them know what we're doing. You haven't spoken to them yet.
Well, so we moving on. We breaking up. It's the end of Carmen and Corey. I mean, what I gotta say? People grow apart.
People grow apart. That's the only thing I had to say. So we're gonna be honest.
Be honest about what?
Why we breaking up?
I'm already honest.
You haven't said nothing yet.
Because if you ain't gonna say that, I ain't gonna say nothing. I just speak on that.
But I'm being childish, right?
I'm not being childish.
I'm being childish.
How am I being childish?
All right, Corey.
So like, you gonna tell people what's up, or we gonna keep on going back and forth? What we gonna do?
It's not about going back and forth, but it's about what you said on live.
I mean, what you mean what I said? What you mean what I said on live?
What did you say on live?
Okay, I mean, at the end of the day, no matter what I said on live.
It does matter. That's why we're here, though. It does have a lot to do. Why we here? That's the reason why we're here.
So now all of a sudden, my feelings don't matter, huh?
I'm not talking about your feelings.
Yeah. What we gonna do?
It's not about going back and forth, but it's about what you said on live.
I mean, what you mean what I said? What you mean what I said on live?
What did you say on live?
Okay, I mean, at the end of the day, no matter what I said on live.
It does matter. That's why we're here, though. It does have a lot to do. Why we here? That's the reason why we're here.
So now all of a sudden, my feelings don't matter, huh?
I'm not talking about your feelings.
Yeah. Obviously, you making it seem like my feelings don't matter.
They do matter, but you still do what you want to do at the end of the day. You always do things how you want to do them.
I'm not doing it how I want to do.
Yes, you did.
What I gotta do.
Yes, you do. How you gotta put out there with me and you go throw away our relationship was doing. Nobody asked you about nothing. Nobody asked you about nothing. Your character wasn't being attacked. Your character wasn't being damaged. Your character wasn't being pointed at nothing. So you just play the victim. You just like, oh, this is my time to shine. I'm gonna let them know.
The victim.
How you not? How you not?
So if anybody protect themselves,
how are you just protecting yourself of what?
My character.
How was attacking your character?
If people.
You was protecting. That's people. You was protecting yourself from people, but you end up saying.
It's a lot of assumptions that I went so pleased.
What assumptions?
I mean, we want to go there.
Go where?
Like,
so I thought like we can pass again, or what we doing?
Do we need to go in detail though? Cause like we always gotta talk about me, but we ain't talking about what you.
Like she want to slap
him.
So we really want to talk about what you.
Come on, you already said it. You already put it out there. Be bold enough to talk about it again.
Nah, I'm just saying.
Why not? You already talked about it. Act like you're not gonna talk about it again.
This ain't what this about.
Yes, it is. That's what you.
This is about us being honest.
Being honest and we are gonna separate. So it doesn't matter what we say no more.
Why you gotta be so feisty?
How? Why not?
We can't even just talk.
Why not? Because when I used to be soft, you used to take advantage of me.
I took advantage of you.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
You really want to say I took advantage of you?
Yes, and I just said it, and I will say it again.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm 100% serious.
You can't be suave.
I'm not trying to be suave. You wasn't suave a lot of times. You were not too suave. Say that. Say that. You wasn't. You wasn't.
Hey, man, I'm not finna do that. I'm not finna argue with you on that.
Yeah, you shouldn't argue with me because I
What suave mean, chat?
Right.
What that mean?
I don't know.
That's you, something like that? Can't be suave. Like being P. Oh, smooth.
Serious.
You can't be suave.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
You really want to say I took advantage of you?
Yes, and I just said it, and I will say it again.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm 100% serious.
You can't be suave.
I'm not trying to be suave. You wasn't suave a lot of times. You were not too suave. Say that. Say that. You wasn't. You wasn't.
Hey, man, I'm not finna do that.
I ain't know niggas using that.
You shouldn't argue with me because I know you more than everybody do.
And I know you more than everybody.
Okay, but I'm not sitting here trying to play somebody that I'm not while you is. You're trying to put this character like, oh, I'm just like the crazy one. Like, I'm just the one that just bring you down. Like, I'm the one just attack you all the time. Like, I am who I am because of you at the end of the day. Speak on that. Speak on that.
What you mean speak on what?
Exactly what I said.
You are because of me?
Yeah.
I mean, how you want to speak on it? Because we can really go there.
Oh, let's go.
So what
okay, so I'm just the one that...
Hey, man, I'm not finna do that. I'm not finna argue with you on that.
You shouldn't argue with me because I know you more than everybody do.
And I know you more than everybody.
Okay, but I'm not sitting here trying to play somebody that I'm not while you is. You're trying to put this character like, oh, I'm just like the crazy one. Like, I'm just the one that just bring you down. Like, I'm the one just attack you all the time. Like, I am who I am because of you at the end of the day. Speak on that. Speak on that.
What you mean speak on what?
Exactly what I said.
You are because of me?
Yeah.
I mean, how you want to speak on it? Because we can really go there.
Oh, let's go.
So what
okay, so but you're going to be honest and admit everything, though.
I'll be honest. So go there.
You know who I am.
Just go there.
Because of you.
Go there.
You made me insecure. You made me toxic. You made me crazy. You made me do all this other shit just because of the person you couldn't be.
And I'm never. And when once I become that person.
I was supposed to sit here and just get old until you finally feel like you're the man.
You ain't old,
you ain't old right now. Right, but you're living life right. We're both the same age. I'm not living life.
How you not living life?
Because you do what you want to do at the end of the day. I don't.
For the last 4 years.
Oh, really? You have?
6, to be honest.
Yeah, we have. But now you just
7.
okay. But you always have what you have done. You always do stuff behind my back. I don't even know.
So look. We don't got to go into details.
We don't have to go into any details.
Because I don't feel like talking about the past. We can just talk about.
But you brought it up.
Nah, because at the end of the day, you won't go to you throwing petty shots. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not throwing petty shots. But if you tell you how you gonna go for telling me to tell your story or you speak on how you feel. But the moment I go bring up shit that is really true, now you want to feel some type of way and tell me I'm not speaking on the past. But the past plays a big part in why we even at this point. That's why I'm not even crying. I don't have tears to cry no more, and I'm not hurt that we are breaking up anymore.
What did I do anything?
This is official. I'm proud of you too. I'm proud of me. I'm proud of both of us.
It's called growth.
Yeah.
So you don't
in 2 hours called growth. I'm still saying that.
So what are you saying? What are you saying?
No, I think I said enough to you.
2 hours, I said.
There's nothing else for me to talk to you about.
All right, so.
So after this, whatever you do, whatever you say, it doesn't matter. So we either get with the same lawyer, you get your own lawyer, I get my own lawyer, you get the papers, or I get the paper. But don't get on live and talk about, oh, she's certain paper, but then you in my messages kissing my ass. Because that's the part that you never talk about.
Who kissing your ass, though?
I'm not saying you're kissing it now, but if you're going to do that, don't get on live and talk about what I do. But
I feel like I don't have a reason to kiss your ass, Carmen. We are moving on.
We are.
So why you can just keep it clean slate and understood?
You the one who forced me to talk.
Because
I honestly didn't even want to be here.
But because
I could really went by my day without even seeing you. My day would have been great. But I see you just ruin my day.
I'm just trying to be mature
trying to be what?
To our audience.
Dude, I'm not stopping you. You could have did this by yourself.
So you going to sit here, you want to do all that, but you don't want to talk about what you do. You all want to speak on what I do, and that's what
I do.
What you mean? What you do? That's
what I do, like as if like I do it. Like what are we talking about?
So you.
What did I do?
You cheated.
Okay, so you gonna talk? That's your excuse on why you gonna sit here and act like you just so bothered because I cheated. How did I cheat? I didn't fuck nobody.
Oh, but you cheated on him.
Well, how did I cheat?
All right, so you want to go there?
Come on, all right. But why did I cheat though? What Carmen cheated? What Carmen cheated?
You know what you did.
What Carmen cheated though?
You know what you did though.
But why though? How many times you cheated? And you tried to give me a reason why you did it. And your reasons were valid.
So now it's all. So I got to do it because he.
It's not. This is nothing that you. This is nothing that you're hearing.
When you want to go on that road, you want to become that person. You can become that.
I'm not becoming nothing. But I didn't cheat on you. I didn't fuck nobody. You did.
I hear you. No,
you did. You did.
Okay.
But why did I do mine?
Do it.
Why? Why did I cheat on you?
Why you asking why you cheated? I didn't be asking you that.
What? Right. Once you already asked. So when I told you what, you understood supposedly, right? But now you want to play the victim like, oh yeah, you cheated. You ain't so perfect.
I didn't say. I'm just saying you want to speak on what I do all the time. Speak on you. Speak on what you do.
Oh, now that you have a point on me, like that's the point you're gonna talk about all the time. Oh, she cheated on me, y'all. Oh, she cheated on me, y'all. Oh, she cheated on me, y'all. But I already said why she cheated on me. Oh no, but yeah, she actually had sex with nobody. But she called texting somebody.
That's what you say.
That's what I know. That's what happened, and you know that. So don't start that. This your fucking problem. When we off camera talking. Oh,
I'm not gonna lie, niggas can't take that though. Niggas can't. That probably hurt.
You do this, you that, but now you want to get on camera. It's like you want to try to put somebody on the spotlight. Oh, but that's what you do.
You put me on the spotlight the whole time. What you talking about?
Yeah, but I can back everything up.
Okay,
you want to play? Okay, but how? Wait, every time you cheated, you can back everything up.
Right here.
You can back everything up. You can back everything all the time you cheated. Because I don't lost count how many times you done cheated. For the one time I cheated. Now you gonna hold that on against me.
Yeah, you lost count. Come on, chill out. You sound like the people on the internet.
Like what people?
Come on now. You know who I am. And you know.
No, that's matter. Now it's about Corey. Oh, it's about who Corey was and who Corey is now. All right, it's about me too. It's about who I was and who I am and who I will be without you.
That don't mean that I'm the reason why we're here.
Yes, it is.
You play a part of that too.
Because I cheated.
Okay.
I cheated.
I
cheated one time in a one-day text.
I guess to you that don't mean that.
It does mean something because I know I messed up. But you can just hold that against me after all the times you done cheated.
What you say?
I'm the reason why we're here.
Yes, it is.
You play a part of that too.
Because I cheated.
Okay.
I cheated.
I
cheated one time in a one-day text.
I guess to you that don't mean that.
It does mean something because I know I messed up. But you can just hold that against me after all the times you done cheated. And did multiple shit.
Like what? I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta keep it going, but I'm glad Queen and Clare here to help me through this.
What you supposed to do?
Throw things on me like
I'm not throwing nothing at you, but don't sit here and act like you really just such a Corey being Corey in person.
So they got him about to leave in slow motion.
Well, you never want to talk about it, because if that's the case, I can really sit here.
Y'all, Clare, if somebody know Clare, just let him know. If you watching under an assumed name or something, you is petty fan, bro. I love you. That is so funny. That's what I wanted to say. Him in the slow motion thing is killing me. It's killing me. It's so funny. It's so funny. I want to laugh so bad, but this is not funny. It's a sad relationship issue, but the slow-mo thing, him and his laptop he ain't used, like, you just didn't want to leave it in the car? What's up?
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you because you didn't come here to waste my time.
Oh, this is good. This is getting toxic right here.
Why you never want to talk about it? Because if that's the case, I can really sit here. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you because you didn't come here to waste my time. If you're gonna sit here and want to talk,
I can multitask.
No, you can't. But I don't want you to get on the phone while you talking.
Okay, and I don't want you to act where you at.
Okay, well now it doesn't matter. You're gonna sit here and throw shots at me and then don't want me to speak on it. But you don't want me to speak on it though. But the moment that I want to talk about it, now you want to say nothing.
Goodness. Sis, remember that you are in a high chair and you small. You gonna fall out that chair trying to jump over that table, sis. Your purse already fell, girl. Be careful.
I'm not. Give me that phone. Stop playing. Give me that phone. This is a really fucking problem right here. We're not talking about it. Now you see him throwing shots at me and then don't want me to speak on it. But you don't want me to speak on it though. But you don't want me to speak on it. Well, now it doesn't matter. You're gonna see him throwing shots at me and then don't want me to speak on it. But you don't want me to speak on it though. But you don't want me to speak on it though. But the moment that I want to talk about it, now you want to say nothing. I'm not. Give me that phone. Stop playing. Give me that phone. This is a really fucking problem right here. Not because the moment Carmen told you see how you want to ignore me. And it happens all the time. Yes, you do. So what the fuck you get on your phone for then?
Because I'm trying to see what's going on.
So what's nothing going on your phone? Oh, your whole text.
They need a bigger table. Like the distance, they need a little wider distance than this.
Problem right here. Because the moment Carmen talk.
At where you at?
That's a nice ass color.
I can multitask.
No, you can, but I don't want you to get on the phone while you talking.
Okay, and I don't want you at where you at.
Okay, well now it doesn't matter. You're gonna sit here and throw shots at me and then don't want me to speak on it. But you don't want me to speak on it though. But the moment that I want to talk about it, now you want to say nothing.
Gotta be cooking in there.
I'm not. Give me that phone. Stop playing. Give me that phone. This is where your fucking problem right here. Because the moment Carmen talk, you see how you want to ignore me. And it happens all the time. Yes, you do. So what the fuck you get on your phone for then?
Because I'm trying to see what's going on.
So when nothing going on your phone, oh, your whole text, oh my bad. Yeah, I forgot it. I forgot. Your host be texting you. You know you like to delete stuff. It's nothing on there. You delete shit. You delete shit.
I don't have nothing to do.
You delete. Yeah, that's what you say. That's what you always say. Call for what? Call for what? Call for what? Why would I do that, Corey?
If you want to throw out assumptions, you want to throw shit out there.
No, I'm not throwing assumptions, but you know what you have done and what you do.
All right, Carmen. So, all right, we that's the end of it. I'm done with it. I feel like they got it on.
But they got it. No, I'm pretty sure you're going to tell them every time. Here, I don't want your phone. I don't want your phone. I don't want your phone. I don't want your phone.
Well, I tell you the truth, man.
Waste fucking time. Yes, the fuck you here. Matter of fact, only the best thing I got of that was my 2 kids. I done got that. Everything else been a waste of time. You been nothing but a liar. You been a liar.
Well, I tell you the truth, man.
Waste fucking time. Yes, the fuck you here. Matter of fact, only the best thing I got of that was my 2 kids. I done got that. Everything else been a waste of time. You been nothing but a liar. You been a liar. You disloyal as fuck. You a cheater and will forever be a cheater.
You just talking outside your neck now. Oh, the best thing you got is my kids. I'm not finna be dealing with this, bro. Guys, I tried to be cordial with you guys and do this the right way, but obviously, and no, I did not do nothing for her to break up with me right now. She cheated, and she ain't gonna tell y'all. And I hope she gone.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell, become part of the No Squad. I think Corey was scared to go out there because Carmen's still out there. She mad. She mad, bro. You better wait 5 minutes before you go out the door, bro.
Like, who turned off the camera, though?
This doctor.
If they both just did.
Yep.
Somebody said longer.
All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Share if you care. I guess I'm going to do a separate video for this one. All right, bye, y'all.